Hi students, good morning. Today we are going to reverse lesson 1 book back exercises. Okay, everyone take your book, page number 18. Page number 18. Okay, what is the topic of the lesson? Food, where does it come from? Yes, last class already we discussed about where does food come from. Yes, where food come from? Plants and animal sources. Yes, after that we discuss about what are the habits of food habits of animals. Yes, today we are going to revise book back exercises. Okay, page number 18. Everyone take page number 18. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Okay, green plants are known as dash. Green plants are known as dash. What is the answer? Producers. Okay, why we say plants are producers? Because they prepare their own food with the process of photosynthesis. Yeah. Dash are known as producers. Green plants are known as producers. Green plants are known as dash producers. Then second question. The stem of dash plant is used to make sugar. The stem of dash plant is used to make sugar. What is the answer? Sugar cane is used to make sugar. The stem of sugar cane is used to make dash. What is the answer? Sugar. Yeah. Then third question. Dash is collected from beehives and has medicinal value. What is the answer? Honey. Honey is collected from dash beehives. Yeah. Then third question. Dash is made by churning fresh cream, butter. What is the answer? Butter. Butter is made by dash fresh cream, churning fresh cream. What is the spell of churning? C-H-U-R-N-I-N-G. Dash is made by churning fresh cream, butter. Butter is made by churning dash fresh cream. Okay. Then fifth question. A dash feeds on the flesh of dead animals. What is the answer? Scavengers. Yes, scavengers feed on the flesh of dash animals, dead animals. Once you listen. What is the first question? The green plants are known as dash producers. Second one. The stem of dash plant is used to make sugar. What is the answer? Sugar cane. Then dash is collected from beehives and has medicinal value. Dash, what is the answer? Honey. Okay. Dash is made by churning fresh cream, butter. Dash feed on the flesh of dead animals. What is the answer? Scavengers. Next, page number 19, same page. Listen. Option. Choose the correct option. Choose the correct option. First question. The flowers of which of these plants are eaten as vegetables? The flowers of which of the plants are eaten as vegetables? Broccoli, cauliflower, banana flower. So option A and B both are correct. Yes, both A and B correct. What is D option is the correct answer. Yeah. Then second question. The seeds of this plant used as a spices. Here I give option wheat, cumin, maize, chickpea. Yes, you know. Wheat and maize are under the category of cereals and chickpea under the category of pulses. What is the answer? Spices, cumin. What is the answer? Cumin. The seeds of this plant is used as a spices, cumin. Then, which of these is made if you put a few drops of lemon juice in hot milk? What is the answer? Paneer. Which of these is made if you put a drop of lemon juice in hot milk? What is the answer? Paneer. This food product is obtained from beehives. Dash food product obtained from beehives? Honey. Okay. Honey. Then, which of these do herbivores depend on for their food? Herbivores depend on dash plants. You know, herbivores eat plants and plant products. Which of these do herbivores depend on for their food? What is the answer? Plants. Next, sixth one. Which of the following animal is a carnivore? Which of the following animal is a carnivore? Options, listen the options. Butterfly, spider, honeybee, squirrel. Yes? No? Butterfly. It is under the category of herbivorous. They eat only the nectar, flower nectar. Yes? Then, honeybee also plant-eater animals. Squirrel also eat nuts. Yeah? What is the answer? Spider. Spider is small insect. Then, seventh one. Which of these animals have sharp edge front teeth? What is the answer? Squirrel. Which of these animals have sharp edge front teeth? Squirrel. Okay. Then, which of these animals swallow their prey whole? Does animal swallow the prey whole? What is the answer? Snake. Answer is snake. Then, which of these animals decomposes dead plants and animals? Does animals decomposes dead plants and animals? Does organisms? Fungi and bacteria. It is under the category of decomposes. Yeah. Which of the following bats have a sharp and pointed beak? What is the answer? Crow is the answer. Okay. Next, once again listen. The flowers of which of these plants are eaten as vegetables? What is the answer? Broccoli, cauliflower and banana. Okay, option D is the correct answer. Then, the seeds of these plants are eaten as used as spices. What is the answer? Cumin. Okay. Which of these is made if you put a drop of lemon juice in a hot milk? What is the answer? Paneer. Okay. The next question. What is the next question? Does food product obtained from beehives? What is the answer? Honey. Then fifth one. Which of these do herbivores depend on for their food? Herbivores depend on plants. Plants is the answer. Then, which of the following animals is a carnivore? Spider. What is the answer? Spider. Which of these animals have sharp edged front teeth? What is the answer? Squirrels. Which of these animals swallow their prey whole? What is the answer? Snake. Which of these animals decomposes dead plants and animals? Answer is fungi and bacteria. Which of the following bats has a short and pointed beak? Answer is crow. Are you clear? Then, Roman 2. Very short answer type questions. Okay, give one word for the following. First question. The green pigment present in leaves of green plants. Okay. What green pigment present in the leaves of green plants? Chlorophyll. What is the spell of chlorophyll? CHLOROPHYL. Okay. Does green pigment is present in the plant leaves? Does green pigment? Chlorophyll pigment. The next question. The process by which plant prepare their own food is called as process photosynthesis. What is the answer? Photosynthesis. The process by which plant prepare their own food. Photosynthesis. Then next, products obtained from milk. What is the answer? Dairy products. What is called dairy products? Products obtained from milk is called dairy products. Products obtained from milk, dairy products. Then fourth question. The process by which milk gets separated into solid and liquid parts is called curding. Okay, the process by which milk separated into solid and liquid part is called as curding. Next, organisms that decomposes dead plants and animals are called decomposers. Okay, next what is the question? Organisms that decomposes dead plants and animals are called as decomposers. Once again listen. The green pigments present in the leaves of green plant, chlorophyll. The process by which plant prepare their own food. What is the answer? Photosynthesis. Then next, products obtained from milk, dairy products. Fourth question. The process by which milk gets separated into liquid and solid parts, curding. Next question. Organisms that decomposes dead plant and animals. What is the answer? Decomposes. Okay, clear? Then B. Give 2 examples for the following. Okay. Roots that we eat as vegetables. Root. First of the first question. Roots that we eat as a vegetable. Radish, turnip, beetroot, sweet potato. These are some of the examples of root that we eat as a vegetable. Write any 2. Radish, turnip. Okay. Then stem that we eat as a vegetable. Ginger, potato. Leaves that we eat a vegetable. What are they? Spinach, cabbage. Then seed that are eaten as sprouting. Mung bean, chickpeas. Okay, mung bean, chickpeas. Animals that gives us egg. Hen, duck. Hen and duck. Once I listen. Roots that we eat as a vegetable. What is the answer? Radish, turnip. Stem that we eat as a vegetable. Ginger, potato. Leaves that we eat as a vegetable. Spinach, cabbage. Okay. Next, fourth question. seed that are eaten is after sprouting. Okay, some seed only we are using for sprouting. Mung beans, chickpeas, and we use green gram, that type of seeds also. Okay. Then animals that give us egg. What is the answer? Can, duck. Then Roman 3, short answer type questions. Okay, listen. First question. What is the first question? What are the main sources of food? What are the main sources of food? The answer is page number 11. Page number 11. Okay. What is the answer? Plant pods and animal products are our main sources of food. What is the question? What are the main sources of food? What is the answer? Plant products and animal pods are our main sources of food. Next question. What is sprouting? What is sprouting? Page number 13. Page number 13. Sprouting involves soaking seed and draining, okay, soaking seed, draining the water and then leave them till they germinate. What is sprouting? Sprouting involves soaking seed, draining the water and then leave them till they germinate. So listen, sprouting involves soaking seed, draining the water and then leave them till they germinate. It is a sprouting. Okay. Next, third question. What is the question? Why do we need to have calcium rich food? Why do we need to have calcium rich food? Page number 14. 1, 4. Okay. We need calcium rich food. Why? Calcium is required for proper growth of our teeth and bones and also proper nerve functioning. Okay. Calcium is needed by our body for proper growth of teeth, bones and for nerve function. Once again listen. Why do we need to have calcium rich food? Calcium is required for proper growth of our teeth, bones and for nerve functioning. Are you clear? Next, fourth question. How do we commonly make curd at home? What is the question? How do we commonly make curd at home? Page number 15. Answer is page number 15. Common method of making curd include adding a small sample of curd in hot milk. Okay. Common method of making curd include adding a small sample of curd in hot milk. Okay. The microorganism present in the curd sample turn the milk into curd. Okay. So listen. Common method of making curd include adding a small sample of curd into hot milk. The microorganism present in the curd sample turn the milk into curd. Are you clear? Then last question. Define the following terms. What are the terms? Herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous. Okay. Define herbivorous. An animal that eat only plants and plant products are called herbivore. Okay. What is define herbivore? An animal. Page number 18. 1 Okay. An animal that eats only plants and plant products is called a herbivore. Define herbivore. An animal that eats only plant and plant product is called a herbivore. Then second question. Define carnivore. An animal that eats only the flesh of other animal is called a carnivore. An animal that eats only the flesh of other animal is called a carnivore. Question what? Omnivore. Yes. An animal that eats both plants and flesh of other animal is called an omnivore. Okay. An omnivore. Okay. You know A, E, in front of you put an. Yes. An omnivore. Okay. An animal that eat both the plant and the flesh of other animals is called an omnivore. Once listen, what different herbivore? An animal that eat only plant and plant products is called a herbivore. What is carnivore? An animal that eat only the flesh of other animals is called a carnivore. What is omnivore? An animal that eat both the plant and flesh of other animals is called an omnivore. Okay, are you clear? Today's study portion, lesson 1, book back exercises. Okay, Roman 1, 2 and 3. Okay, ma. Thank you.